Maulan na hapon. I will get my headphone because I want to make a voiceover. So I like weather like this, like just rainy, not too much heavy rain, but just enough, and it's cold. I love it. So here's my headphone.
Bago ako nag-vlog, ganito kalakas yung ulan kanina. Buhos na buhos, as in. So, meron pang ang kulog. So, yan, ganyan. Wala na rito ang cage ni Porky.